In this tutorial we're going to demonstrate how to log into the new SchoolMaster Gradebook, which is no longer on your desktops. So the first thing you want to do is just go to the school website, scst5.org, for you new teachers. Once in here, you're going to look for employees under quick links. Scroll down until you see the staff link. Now that was 3 clicks so far, and we want to minimize that. So what you're going to do is you are going to, if it hasn't already been done for you, you're going to click this little middle icon right here to semi-minimize your screen. And then right here you take this thing that says secure, or this works with any other website that you want access to, like your Gmail that you want to just do one click to get to. Click this, left click and hold, drag it onto your desktop, and it creates a link like that. So if you right click on it, you can actually come down and say rename, and I'm going to call this Gradebook. That way I don't have to go to the school website anymore. I can just double click this link, this icon, and that'll take me here. I love that feature. Once you're here, log in. For most of you, it'll be your first name, last initial. Mine is different. And that is how you get into your Gradebook quickly.